Movement of birds. A bird's skeleton is both lightweight and strong. The bones are hollow and filled with air. Big, strong flight muscles attached to the wings help it flap its wings. When the wings move through the air, its front is wider than its back, which tapers and drags a little. The top of the wings is curved outwards, while the bottom is curved inwards. This shape creates a higher air pressure under the wings. As a result, the air pushes the wings from underneath. Tail feathers also helps in direction and landing.